Hey guys, welcome. This is Chef Todd at Ace Eat Serve, part of Secret Sauce Company with Ace, Steuben, and Busta. Today I'm going to share a little bit of recipe to make some pot stickers at home using super simple ingredients that's already available in your pantry, super easy to source, and we can make some really fun pot stickers and dumplings today. So to get started, you're going to need about a pound of ground pork. Super easy, you can find your local grocery store. If you don't have ground pork, use whatever you like, turkey, beef, makes it all great pot sticker for sure. You're gonna have a little bit of ginger, just freshly diced. If you don't have any fresh ginger at home, just use a little bit of ginger powder. All tastes great. Here we have 3 cloves of garlic, diced up, a little bit of cabbage, all diced up as well. These are just Savoy cabbage. You don't have that, you can use Napa cabbage. You can use bok choy shaved scallion. We have some sesame oil. We have a little bit of low sodium soy sauce. If you don't have soy sauce, just use a little bit extra salt, no problem. And then we have 1 egg to kind of bind everything together. And then to season, very simple, it's a little salt and a little sugar. And now that's all the ingredients you need for your pot sticker. So firstly, we're gonna start adding all the ingredients together. We're gonna start with a little bit of cabbage. So now we're gonna go ahead and just mix everything up. You can use chopsticks, that's kind of my preferred tool, or you can just use your hand. It's definitely the best tool in the kitchen. So you really wanna get everything mixed in thoroughly and use the egg to bind everything together. If you have a little cornstarch at home, that's also a preference thing, to add a little bit of cornstarch in here. And what that does, it just really helps bind the ingredients together, and when you're cooking it, all the juice kind of flows out, and the cornstarch helps keep all those juices inside the dumpling. This is definitely one of my favorite item to make at home for sure, because one, it is very cost effective. All these ingredients probably cost me around $9 to get everything together, and you can make a bunch of dumplings. They freeze extremely well, and you can make a whole lot of them, and they're absolutely delicious to eat and share with the family. And with all this time that we have on our hands, you can definitely bring all the hands you have, you know, your kids, your wife, whoever it's around, to help you make all the little dumplings. And it's definitely a super fun pastime for the entire family. And there you have it. Here's our pot sticker filling and ready to make some pot stickers. So now we're going to take our wrapper. Right here I'm just using a store-bought wrapper since it's super simple to source, and I have it in my pantry. So what you want to do is make sure you have a little glue for your dumpling. Right here I just have a little bit of water to kind of help activate the starch on here. You can use some egg, you can use a little water and flour mixture, that's totally fine as well. So what you want to do is put the wrapper in your hand and imagine it's like a tiny taco. You want to curve your hand a little bit, and then you're going to put a little bit of the filling in the middle, just like so. And you can put in as much as you like. You know, it's your dumpling. You can make a big dumpling with lots of filling, or you can do a little less. That's totally up to you. You can use a fork as well to fill it. I just like chopsticks because I know how to use chopsticks. And what we're going to do is take a little bit of the water and just kind of brush it on the edges right here. So after you have your filling on the inside, what you want to do is put this edge to that edge and fold it over. And you kind of, it's like sealing an envelope, you know, you want to package all your filling on the inside. I like this fold particularly because one, it is simple to make at home. Also, it creates a really, a lot of surface area on the bottom of the pot sticker, so when you sear, you have this beautiful crunchy layer on the bottom. So after you have, you know, you pinch your sides together, all you do is put it flat on your cutting board, and then you're going to push down on both sides of the pot sticker to seal it. And then you want to make sure it's a nice tight little package and nothing's coming out, with a flat surface on the bottom for you to sear. And then you stack them together like this, and that's how you make a little pot sticker. You make tons of them. Now we made a bunch of little dumplings, so all you're gonna need is a non-stick pan. I know it's pot stickers. It won't stick to your pan, but I recommend a non-stick pan, which is probably the best one to give it a nice crust on the bottom. So you want like a 10-inch, 8-inch non-stick pan, whatever you have in your house. But it is pot sticker. It will stick a little bit, but don't freak out, because when the pot stickers are golden brown and ready, it will just magically lift off the pan and will not stick to your pan. Start with a little bit of oil on the bottom. A good amount of oil, let's say about 1.5 tablespoons of oil on the bottom. And again, my pan is not on right now, and I'll show you why for a reason. So we're gonna oil that first, and then we're gonna load up our pot sticker. You can arrange them however you like. Just make sure they have a little bit of space in between them so they don't glue themselves together while they're in there. And then you want to give them a little space so they're steaming while they're cooking. So we're going to add about a little bit of water. I would say about 2 ounces of water in there. And that's what it looks like. The water should come up in the dumpling a little bit, but not all the way. The idea is for it to boil and then steam the dumpling, and then you end up with just the oil on the bottom, and that will help fry the bottom and crisp up your pot sticker. So I'm going to cover this with the lid and let that steam a little bit. So now we have, a very low sizzle that you can hear. So what's happening is all the water is evaporated and the dumpling is starting to brown on the bottom. So you're going to carefully lift the lid up and kind of watch your dumpling finish pan frying. So what you're going to do is going to sizzle and pop at you a little bit, but hey, that's cooking, so don't be afraid of it. So yeah, here it is. You have this beautiful crispy bottom, and you can take it as as brown as you like, or you can go with whatever color you desire. I like mine pretty brown, like like a maple syrup, like a dark kind of brown. Oh, that's all. Brown is flavor, so don't be afraid of it. So you want to let your dumpling kind of pan fry for the last minute or so, but now you really want to keep a close eye on it because all the water is evaporated and it's pan frying, and if you walk away, it's definitely going to burn, so don't walk away. Thank you guys for joining us today on this awesome little video. I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope you make tons of pot stickers at home with your friends and family. And please come visit us soon here at Ace Eats Serve, Besta, and Steuben's here in Denver, Colorado. And this is my favorite part, is sitting down and enjoying these beautiful pot sticker. I can eat tons of these. Beautiful, crunchy. These are so good. You should definitely make a bunch of these at home.